Hey, what's up? Danny here, and so it's been a little while since I posted on my page, but I wanted to share something with you if you're watching this replay, and so one of the things that has really been beneficial to me over the past couple years is working towards building a personal brand for a lot of different reasons, but really the number one reason that it's really become an asset to me is that it's really kind of helped me put out into the public what I'm all about, right? So I think the number one thing that you need to focus on if you're trying to build a personal brand, if you trying to share some sort of content, is to understand that it's going to put you above the competition. And in today's marketplace, it doesn't really matter if you are in technology or if you are in health and fitness, or if you're a teacher, school teacher, or maybe you're in the healthcare industry. It really doesn't matter, because the number one thing that's going to really boost you up by sharing that content is the fact that you are going to be seen as a leader of some sort, right? And so the more value you can provide to a company, or even just your own business, if you're a business owner, is going to be it's going to carry you a long way. So if you're not working on a project, a side project, and so that's really the theme of this video, is just that you need to be working on some sort of side project to build your brand. Now, why that is because if you're working, a good example is if you're working a 9-to-5 job, if you already have a full-time job, a lot of times we can get so busy with our work that it may feel like you don't have the extra time to really kind of grow and nurture something else, a skill or learning or anything like that. But you have to be learning, because if you're not growing. And if you're not growing, it's going to become apparent at some point in your day job. It's just, that's just the way it's going to be, because other people out there, especially the younger generations, I'm about pushing 40 now. So, but the people who are just getting out of college and whatnot, they come with a different set of skills. They come with tech skills that are like learning a second language almost. Like, when I was a child, it was like learning Spanish was like, you learn that, in your mid school, intermediate school, elementary kind of years. But now it's like computer programming is sort of, instilled at a very young age. And so it doesn't mean you got to be a programmer. That's not what I'm trying to say. But what I'm trying to say is you need to be working on some side project in order to increase your skills, increase the knowledge that you can bring to the table. And not only that, but it doesn't really matter how much you do on the side. If you don't share that with the world and make that public, then you're not building your brand, and you're not doing all that work that you're doing justice. So if you're a course creator, get on YouTube and do some videos. If you are a health and fitness person, get on Instagram, maybe share some Instagram photos and link back to your website. If you don't have a website, get a website up. Like, these are some of the things that you can really start working on today. And you don't have to have the perfect sort of platform up there. It's just a matter of taking small steps each and every day. And so if you're not working on a project, think about what is a project that you can work on, and then share that project on social media, or wherever you feel most comfortable doing that. But that's going to really help you sort of go through the self-discovery process as well, to see what it is that you are really passionate about, what you really like. And when you start sharing that with others, you're simultaneously building that authority in something that you enjoy. And so, for me, like, I've been working a lot in the tech space, and I'm not really a programmer per se, but I'm working on learning some more programming languages and things like that, just because I find it interesting. But by sharing that, it's also going to allow me to open up doors in the future for, any potential roles in my current company, or, external companies. So, keep learning, keep growing, and keep building things. And I will see you in the next video. Take care.